This BMW E92 M3 has a naturally aspirated 4-liter V8 engine powering about 402 horsepower, which is about 309 kilowatt at about 8,300 RPM. That is where it can rev at. So it's a high revving, high performance BMW motor that has a beautiful sound, very distinct. And if you have one of these are the only V8 M3s BMWs produced, pushing out a lot of power with beautiful tone. You don't even have to listen to your radio, you just need to hear that engine roaring. We're doing on this vehicle, which involves running the diagnostics, thermostat related work, as well as oil leaks from the valve cover gaskets, or other call it tap cover gaskets. So that's what we'll be doing. We can invite you to watch this. It's going to sound nice because the throttles are dirty, yo. Whenever we have the V8s come in, it's essential that you do your preventative maintenance checks, which involves the following. We noted that when we pulled off the intake plenum, called strip for us, we noted that the throttles are very dirty. So when it comes to the BMW M3, we are always concerned about rod bearings, and we're always concerned about the throttle valves and the sensors, all the common things that engages with these M3 models. And I got to chat with a repairer that used to import or export and repair these throttle valves. And the one thing he mentioned to me is that the throttle actuators fail on these vehicles because of dirty throttles. So the dirt and insufficient lubrication. So because of that, that is the reason why the throttles are failing. We've had a repair like this before that we've posted on our TikTok platform, but we will be doing it on this vehicle as well. So we will show you guys how we do the cleaning of the throttle, detaching the mechanisms, cleaning and lubricating the throttles, and you will note an immediate response in terms of how the vehicle idles. The idle quality is way better, and the overall performance will also be a notch up. So this is essential to do as preventative maintenance measures. You're going to have to do this every couple of thousand or every second service or third service, just to do the checks or so. So it all depends on how you do your servicing. But this is something we advise based on what we see and have found. So yeah, this is the throttle valves. This is what the throttles look like before. And this is what they look like now after the cleaning of the throttles and the lubricating of the linkages. It even sounds better. This is a BMW S65 V8 thermostat. So this thermostat on this vehicle, when we ran the diagnostics, had a fault for electronic thermostat. Now we know on the BMW range vehicles, if you have an issue with your thermostat, that it will affect your fueling and the regulation of your coolant temperature. when your thermostat fails, or it stays either open or stays in a closed position, it does affect the coolant flow in your cooling system. It does affect the regulating of your cooling temperatures. And due to this engines being so prone to rod bearing wear, we want to avoid that. So we don't want the vehicle overfueling or having an issue because of a thermostat. So this is a small element that plays a big role on this engine. It is a 4-liter V8 that houses a lot of power, 309 kilowatt. So it's important and essential that the thermostat must function correctly. Your temperatures on your engine must be regulated correctly so that you can get the maximum in performance power out of this engine. This is BMW S65 tappet cover gaskets, or other known as valve cover gaskets. On this BMW V8 4-liter engine, we will be replacing these gaskets for bank 1 and this gasket for bank 2. Client had an issue, the vehicle is leaking oil, or he smells oil. Basically what happens is that the valve cover gasket no longer has its rubber sealing ability, and it's leaking onto the exhaust manifold, giving you a foul smell. So we are doing this repair on this BMW V8 E92, and we'll be cleaning up the engine bay afterwards so that we can have a successful repair. We have the M3's tappet cover off. We are starting at bank 2. This is what we want to achieve. This is what regular services will allow you to have. So an engine that is clean, free of sludge. We check the chain out, so there's not a lot of play there. Startups are beautiful. So ultimately this is what you want to see inside your engine. It is an in-performance vehicle. Like I said, there's a lot of data saying they're prone to rod bearing failure, but you can achieve great results through regular service. So originally the service periods were like 20,000 from the dealers. Again, if you're driving these 10,000 and less is what would be advised to service your vehicle at. So yeah, that's just our opinion on this. So we're doing the tappet cover gasket replacement. So we're going to be cleaning all the surfaces. Getting it assembled again. If you're driving a BMW E92 M3, the V8, and you're doing your tappet cover gaskets, there's options. So now that the tappet cover is off, we are going to have this unit powder coated to this color called the Superflow. And we are doing it locally, so local supporting local business. So guys, I'm excited. We want to see how this is going to stand out within this engine bay. You can even go one red, one blue. Oh man. The rocking red tappet covers have arrived. So we are excited. We're going to get it fitted. Doesn't look good. We're excited to see what it would look like in this engine bay. It's Empower, baby. So we had this BMW M3 rounded up. Just come in and have a look at how beautiful this engine bay looks. So the vehicle came in, customer had an issue with oil leaks. We then had the tappet cover gaskets replaced. What we noted is that with the standard M3 tappet cover valve covers, they have a tendency of the paint work on the tappet cover that's cracking up and breaking apart, and it does not feature nice in the engine bay. And this 4 liters deserve the best. What we then did is we had the tappet cover or the valve covers powder coated to this rocking red. Not too sure what the code is. We had that done. While the intake plenum was removed, we had the throttles cleaned. We had all the linkages lubricated. We had the air filter also cleaned, as it is a lifetime filter that's fitted in this specific one. We had the air filter cleaned, and there was a noticeable difference in the idle quality. The responsiveness from the throttle has also improved as we cleared the adaptation values on this one as well. So now that the new valve cover gaskets is on, everything's nice and clean. Guys, look at this engine bay looks. So for the garage queens, I think this is how you would want to custom your engines whenever you do a valve cover replacement. So this concludes this repair on the BMW M3 E92 V8 on the valve cover replacement, and we are happy with the turnout of how this valve covers feature in the engine bay. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified on our next repair. Thanks for watching.